For decades, two Japanese giants, Zojirushi and Tiger, have been quietly waging a culinary battle for the title of world's best rice cooker. These brands aren't just appliances, they're a testament to the art and science of rice, blending cutting-edge technology with generations of tradition. Whether you're a rice purist chasing the elusive perfect grain, or a busy home chef looking for a versatile kitchen companion, your choice between Zojirushi and Tiger could shape every meal you make. So which one deserves a place on your countertop? Let's find out. Cooking technology. Zojirushi is renowned for its advanced microcomputer MICOM fuzzy logic technology, which allows the rice cooker to sense and adjust temperature and cooking time for perfect results. Many Zojirushi models also feature induction heating, IH, providing even more precise heat control by using electromagnetic currents to heat the entire inner pot evenly. Tiger also offers impressive technology, with IH available in its higher-end models. Tiger's unique synchro cooking function lets you cook rice and a main dish simultaneously, making meal preparation more convenient. Both brands use multiple sensors and smart controls, but Zojirushi's fuzzy logic is often considered slightly more sophisticated for rice-specific cooking. Performance. Zojirushi is celebrated for producing consistently excellent rice, especially Japanese white and sushi rice. Its cookers are engineered for even texture and moisture, ensuring that every grain is cooked to perfection. The performance is reliable across a range of rice types, though it truly shines with Japanese varieties. Tiger stands out for its versatility. It handles a wide variety of rice types, white, brown, jasmine, basmati, and can also prepare porridge, soups, and other dishes. Tiger's rice cookers are known for their consistent, high-quality results, making them a favorite for families who want more than just rice from their cooker. Cooking speed. Zojirushi typically prioritizes quality over speed. Standard white rice can take around an hour, and brown rice may take longer. While there is a quick mode, it still takes longer than many competitors. This slower process is intentional, as it allows for better texture and flavor development. Tiger is generally faster, especially in its IH models. The efficient heat distribution allows for quicker cooking times, and the synchro cooking feature means you can prepare a main dish and rice together, saving even more time. For busy households, Tiger's speed can be a significant advantage. Texture control. Zojirushi excels in texture control thanks to its fuzzy logic and precise temperature management. Whether you prefer your rice soft, firm, or somewhere in between, Zojirushi's cookers can deliver it with minimal effort. The technology adapts to different rice types and user preferences. Tiger also offers excellent texture control, particularly in its IH models. The even heating ensures that rice is cooked uniformly, and the cookers can handle a range of textures, from sticky to fluffy, depending on your selection. Ease of use. Zojirushi rice cookers are known for their user-friendly interfaces, with clear buttons, easy-to-read displays, and an intuitive timer system. Many models allow you to set a finish time up to 24 hours in advance and play a melody when the rice is ready. Cleaning is straightforward, with removable inner lids and non-stick pots. Tiger also emphasizes ease of use, with simple controls and multiple preset functions for different types of rice and dishes. Some entry-level models may lack a removable inner lid, making them slightly harder to clean, but overall, Tiger cookers are designed for convenience. Keep warm and reheating. Zojirushi offers an outstanding keep warm function, maintaining rice at the perfect serving temperature and texture for up to 16 hours. The reheating feature is gentle, restoring rice to an ideal state without drying it out or making it mushy. Tiger provides a reliable keep warm function as well, with the ability to keep rice fresh for extended periods. The reheating performance is generally very good, though it can vary between models. Both brands are well suited for families who like to cook in advance or keep rice ready for multiple meals. Inner pot quality. Zojirushi uses high-quality, thick, non-stick inner pots, with some premium models featuring platinum-infused or multi-layered designs for enhanced durability and heat distribution. These inner pots are built to last and are easy to clean. Tiger also offers durable, non-stick, multi-layered inner pots, especially in its IH models. The construction is robust, designed to withstand frequent use and provide even heating for years. Price and value. Zojirushi rice cookers are generally more expensive, reflecting their advanced technology and build quality. For those who view rice as a staple and value perfect results, Zojirushi is considered a worthwhile investment. Tiger offers a broader range of price points, from affordable entry-level models to premium IH cookers. Tiger's versatile cooking options and user-friendly design provide strong value, especially for families who want a multifunctional appliance. Design and durability. Zojirushi rice cookers are known for their sleek, modern design and compact footprint. The build quality is excellent, and many users report their Zojirushi cookers lasting for a decade or more with regular use. Tiger models are practical and sometimes bulkier, particularly those with multi-cooking features. However, Tiger's cookers are built to be robust and reliable, standing up to heavy use in busy kitchens. Other features. Zojirushi includes thoughtful touches such as advanced timers, melody alerts, and multiple menu settings for different types of rice and dishes. Some models also offer steaming and baking functions, adding to their versatility. Tiger stands out with its synchro cooking feature, allowing simultaneous preparation of rice and a main dish. Tiger's cookers often include multiple cooking modes for rice, porridge, soup, and more, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen. So, which is better? Zojirushi is the go-to choice for rice enthusiasts who want the very best in texture, consistency, and long-term reliability. Its advanced technology and attention to detail make it ideal for those who eat rice frequently and are willing to invest in premium quality. Tiger is perfect for families or individuals seeking versatility, speed, and value. Its ability to handle a wide variety of dishes, combined with user-friendly features and efficient cooking, makes it a practical choice for busy households.